on this edition of the AudioZone channel.
Hey guys, so we came to the moment of truth of giving out Zay his vehicle. Let's do the walk around and show him what it is, man. Come on down, Zay. Let's show you your baby girl from what she came to what she is. That's the best thing you did, man. His boy be wildin'. He cool dude, but he be wildin' the hell out. But this is his Hellcat. From white, weird, to satin black, all the way around. He is cleaned out. I want y'all to tell me what y'all think about it, but come here, Zay. Zay.
Hell yeah.
What up, y'all? It's your boy J Cruz, known as the AudioZone. Always want to thank you guys for watching. Always definitely thank you guys for the support that you guys are giving this channel, man. Today has been a different day. This whole morning, I could honestly say that it's been motivational. I was talking to a dude that I talked to on the phone. I'm introducing to him before he leaves. We're going to be building a car for him. But long story short, I had a 9:30 appointment to meet him at the shop. We opened up at 10. I left the gym. I came out here to meet him. I left the shop keys. And you want to talk about everything happening for a reason? Sometimes God uses mysterious ways to remind you of how good he's really been to you. So when we were outside, I got to meet the wifey, future wifey, which I made him a promise for their wedding, and I better go to that wedding. But
say in the video.
This is on the video right now.
Be more.
Well, look, you know what? Hold on. My wife be trying. So I want to introduce you to this is Mr. Corey.
What's up, man?
And this is his wifey. Even though it's not the girl he came with last time, it's still not playing. This is his wifey to be, and I made them a promise. And my wifey want to make sure that I'm a witness to this. But we ended up talking outside and having some moments of reflecting of things of life, right? It just happened to happen. Everything happened with God for a reason. And what happens is that you get to understand and get to learn what God has really been for you and what he's done for you, man. And we just started talking about my past and things I went through in the journey, and it just brought things to a reality with me of how grateful we really have to be. So I made them a promise that when they do get married, we're gonna pay for their, and I said weird because my wife's gonna chip in on that too. Nah, well, we're gonna pay for their limo, man, because it was just, I'm telling you, there were a moment of reflections, man. But he came in to get his build done. We're setting it up today, getting it done. We'll see the kind of content. I want to tell you guys also, sorry for not vlogging or posting as much as I usually do, man. I've been very tight with a lot of things. We got the shows coming up and time has not been on my side, but this is Mr. Corey. So I want him to talk to you guys about how he found us and what's going on.
Hey, I was just seeing him on YouTube. I watched a lot of videos while I'm at work. And
Dad, watching work video. Look at that, boy.
Yeah, hey,
your boss better not watch this when you only getting paid for watching videos.
They don't see that, but yeah, no, I've been watching his videos for a minute, man, and I talk to my girl about it every day about this building. Now I'm here, and he the real deal.
So now tell us what you got. What kind of car you got?
I got a 2015 Dodge Challenger.
Challenger RT Plus. You better throw that Plus in there. You got the sunroof and everything else. Yeah. And that actually, the RT Plus also has the, I think you could configure things from the screen.
Yeah.
Got the regular RT. And this is his wifey to be. What is your name for the camera?
Deborah.
Deborah. We could call her D on the camera, you know what I'm saying? But this is the couple, man. So we ended up making the deal today. We had to do I'm very inspired today, but I got you on the camera just so y'all know right now. But I could only say that it was a journey today. It took me down memory lane. It took me to a lot of memories of why I actually do love this woman here. Adita, I love you. I'm gonna tell you on camera, look at this. I actually love your crazy ass.
I know you too.
My little Gemini.
But just know you're crazier than me.
I know I have to be. Somebody gotta be the top dog, baby. But on that one, guys, you'll be watching the video of this build we're gonna do for Corey, as we're gonna make a beautiful dream of his come to reality, and it could be a privilege and honor, man. So on this video, I'm gonna disclose and show you guys what's going on in the shop. Kind of gonna catch up on the time that I haven't been on camera, so y'all can have this with some other stuff. I'm gonna tie in a video too that I got the car back today, but I lost the original footage of building the car, but I'll show you the end results in this video, and we'll continue from there, y'all. So stay tuned. Alrighty, guys, so continue this day, man. We've had like I told you, I have a little problem. I'm still trying to locate a camera I'm missing. So in that camera we had a lot of bills that are actually missing. The Corvette that I'm tagging in here. If I don't find the camera, I'm gonna post the ending of it and the reveal of it, just so y'all have it. But we have a customer that came in from West Texas, I believe, right? West Texas, reached out to us. He has not one, guys. he has 2 kitties, right? Because he has both of them, and the names he had for them, we're not gonna talk about in the camera. But long story short, he brought them in. One of them has some front damage. Some of the parts are there for that car, but I'm not even gonna ask him how that happened. We'll leave that alone. Today he's taking his Charger home. We had to remove the wrap on that vehicle. We had to rewrap the vehicle, get some parts sanded down because it had uneven spots everywhere. Wide body the car, put the wheels he had from the blue one on that one. Interior light kits. They're working on right now doing the one of the headlights is out, so they're trying to fix that before he leaves so he goes home legal. Gave him a little surprise in his badges on his side of his vehicle, and I'm gonna introduce you to him, man, and his crew, so you understand exactly what's going on, man. So I'm gonna flip this camera. This is Mr. Zay. Zay, what you want? He got that Gucci on today, though. That's the thing. And look, check this out, Eddie, look, Gucci. Y'all got the Gucci on today, so I'm happy about that. Tell them about your car, your build, and what's going on.
Hey man, we just came down here to do it the audio cat way.
Man, we're grateful for that.
You gotta come the cat way.
I like that one. Say that again.
You got a cat, you gotta come the cat way.
You got I like that one. You got a cat. So tell us about this car. How long have you owned these 2 cars?
The Charger 6 years, the Challenger about 4 months.
4 months. So that was you bought it wrecked or you wrecked it?
I wrecked it.
You want to tell the camera what you did, Zay? Damn, I bet you it was his fault though.
Yeah, he was calling me.
He was calling you. I told you everything come and leave.
Audio cat, bring your stolen Hellcats here. We got y'all.
Listen, the funny part is that you're on camera saying that you do that.
No, I'm just.
Oh, you changed the story.
I ain't got no money.
But Zay, you know what? It's been a journey. This is phase 1. The Charger coming out today with him. I'm about to reveal it. They're checking the headlight because he has a headlight, like I said. But we're gonna get that one going. Introduce yourself to the camera, man. What's your street name?
How you doing? I'm Machiavelli. I don't have a street name.
His real name, you guys. Let me tell you something. I actually did not believe that was his real name. His real name is Machiavelli. That's on his license, y'all. So he got his name Machiavelli. Tell us, well, let me flip it this way. So tell me a little bit about what it is. What do you like about cars, man? Let's see what that is.
I like everything about the cars. I love Cadillac converters.
Listen, we're gonna leave him alone. I'm gonna leave you alone. And we got his other boy here, man. His name is Nell. Tell us a little about yourself, man.
I'm Nell, just here to support.
Y'all been friends forever.
Yeah.
Y'all been friends. They've been friends since they went to grade school. They get picked him up on the way here from West Texas, so we gotta forgive him for his actions.
I'm old. I watch him grow up.
He's 55. We call him.
How old are you?
I'm 38.
How old are you?
28.
So he did. You literally, bro. That's pretty cool, man.
Yeah.
That is pretty damn cool. Well, it was definitely a pleasure meeting you.
Sir.
This dude gonna get y'all in trouble. That's all I'm gonna tell y'all. Talk about catalysts and converters on video, man. What's wrong with you, man? Damn. But y'all, give me a second when I give the reveal so y'all can see the baby girl. Hey guys, so we came to the moment of truth of giving Alizé his vehicle. Let's do the walk around and show him what it is, man. Come on down, Zay. Let's show you your baby girl from what she came to what she is. That's the best thing you did, man. His boy be wildin'. He cool dude, but he be wildin' the hell out. But this is his Hellcat. From white, weird, to satin black, all the way around. He is cleaned out. I want y'all to tell me what y'all think about it, but come here, Zay. Zay.
Hell yeah.
And you got your interior. I put it in red because that's what your boy said he wanted. It's all red. She is good to go. I mean, I love it. It looks amazing. Black is a harder car to maintain, so don't run through no car washes. Hand wash only. If you get a chance out there, get somebody to ceramic coat it for you, because it'll protect you a lot more. That's the only advice I got for you, man. But at this point in time, they got a big.
I love it, man.
Do you love it?
From the east to the west.
You happy as hell?
Happy.
Now y'all gonna see him again because we got another one to knock out for him in a couple days, which is gonna be his Challenger wide body. But I mean, I love it Tuesday. So on camera, I want to tell you thank you, honestly, for the opportunity of serving you. If you have any questions, let me know. The only rules: if you're driving the car, you see any smoke come out the dash, call 911. Your car's on fire. That's it. I'm playing, y'all. We're gonna end this video. I always tell y'all thank y'all for watching. Always thank y'all for the support. Y'all be good and God bless.